What you are about to learn in the next 5.5 minutes is just going to blow your mind away. I agree that every person has his own style, it is the same for personality as well. What I wanted to say is, looks might be deceiving, but it cannot last longer. The thing which is going to work both instantly and on the long run is with your personality. As I've said in my previous videos, that even men with way more money and good looks may not find any women attracted to them, but even with average looks, you can have many women attracted to you. It's completely possible when you have a great personality and you know how to carry it. Well, today in this video, you are going to know exactly that. Number 1, confidence. Quite often I speak about this very important and attractive quality in most of my videos a lot. It's completely independent of your looks. If you are an attractive person, then it's an add-on benefit. Confidence is a trait that works even without looks. You can present confidence in many ways. The way you do it is going to shook women's minds like an earthquake. They get instantly turned on. Women are very attracted to confidence than looks and wealth. Confidence goes miles. If you are a shy, introverted guy, there's no problem. You can practice confidence just by talking to yourself in front of the mirror. Even before improving confidence, the best thing to do is by loving yourself. This is one of the best advices you can hear. When you start loving yourself, you will eventually gain confidence to present in a much better way. Being confident improves many attractive qualities in a man, such as confident eye contact. You tend to look more confident into her eyes for a prolonged period of time. When people don't feel confident, they tend to break eye contact as soon as possible by turning their head away. This looks way too insecure, and women just don't like such men. When men make a confident eye contact with a smile, it's just so powerful, and women love such men with confident looks. Once you build confidence, you tend to take compliments in a much attractive way. Ever observed a confident man? When any woman compliments him, he takes it much confidently by saying, "Thank you." Insecure people deflect compliments by asking, "Really? You think so?" or by listing reasons they don't deserve the compliment. Secure people accept praise gracefully and without ado. Number 2, being emotionally mature. Women are attracted to emotionally mature men. Men who are grown-ups in emotional or challenging situations and possess grown-up coping skills. He doesn't vomit his emotions all over you. He shares his feelings with you, but not in a reactive way, dragging you down with him when things aren't going well, nor does he stonewall you or emotionally withdraw when disagreements arise in the relationship. Basically, he doesn't run away, blame shift, mollycoddle or get defensive when it gets difficult. And it will get difficult, usually after the first 6 months to a year from the beginning of a relationship. Of all the qualities on this list, this one is the biggest turn on. When a man is emotionally intelligent and in charge of his feelings, if he is in a bad mood, he can get himself out of it quickly and isn't dependent on his partner to regulate his emotions. He controls his emotions and is not afraid to share his feelings with you maturely and productively. What this means is he takes responsibility for his own stuff. He owns when he is wrong and doesn't have a problem apologizing. Far too often, men can't apologize. The words, "I'm sorry," are not in their vocabulary. Boys and girls are raised to behave differently in our culture from when they come out of a woman's womb. It starts as early as preschool. Girls and boys are treated differently by teachers, parents, peers' parents, extended family, culture. We all carry internalized gender bias from the culture in which we are raised. A man who has trouble apologizing is a turn-off. A mature man can cop to being wrong, selfish, not his best at times. He can apologize without his partner having to go 10 emotional rounds to spell out why he needs to apologize. He sees his partner's perspective and admits when he could have done better. No, he doesn't have to go around apologizing all the time for things he didn't do to placate his partner. That would be a turn-off. But he takes responsibility for his own emotional baggage when it creeps into a relationship. A bigger turn-on is a man who has already cleaned up his emotional baggage with a qualified therapist, and it rarely creeps into the relationship. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.